Hey everybody, it's Melissa. Coming at you today. I have something new and I can't wait to I'm so excited I got it early. Like it was projected to be here on the 21st. Came today. So, I don't know how out here in Little Tennessee that I got this all the way from Hawaii, but I have the Maniology Steamboat Willie Kit. So let's bust into this. If you haven't seen or heard about it, it is the Steamboat Willie was essentially the beginning of Mickey Mouse. It was the old black and white versions that you saw of him on the steamboat whistling and all that. And Minnie was there as well. So Maniology has created a kit with a plate for him, and it's absolutely adorable. I've seen it, but I want to share it with you guys. Plus 3 polishes and a Monacle stamper, which is this right here. Although it will not have the color on it. It might have, well, I don't think it's got a design. I think it's just a clear one, but it's this kind of stamper. So this is what this is right here. They're so awesome to put stampers in there. My dogs are in the office. You know, they're always in here. And the puppy is over there trying to tear a blanket. So there we go. Anyway, so you can't have enough stampers. You just cannot have enough. So I'm gonna set that aside. I always have cute stickers. Life won't shine unless you do. So this is a new one. I don't think that I've got this one before. That's very cute. Let's look at the plate and then we'll look at the polish. Wow, look at this. Let's look at it first. Get up here. Can we see? May have to do this number. Okay, let's do this. Okay, here we go. You can see all the different images. They have made it Hawaiian themed a little bit because you can see all of the little touches. Aloha. And there he is with the surfboard. But here's your traditional, what you think of Steamboat Willie. And I think there are 2 images. I'm looking through my camera lens, which is very hard to do, that are just traditional Mickey. I'm trying to look back right here now. I think these 2 are the originals. Of course, here's the steamboat wheel and the anchor. Just so cute. Like, I mean, there's just so many things. And when they did this plate, I'm gonna sit back down now. When they actually, oh my goodness, when they took this plate and showed it to us, I have a loudmouth golden doodle, little mini golden doodle that I'm gonna get here in just a second. She's the only one barking. But when they did this, the first thing I thought of was like, when I get that, I want to do it in grayscale because they were black and white. All these cartoons were done in black and white. And at the time, I don't think there were any Mannies on there other than the one that they did with it. And I looked today and there was a couple that were in grays. And I was like, yeah, somebody else was thinking just like I was. So we will swatch the polishes here. I may even pick up a couple of these and stamp them on my nails. I have on Frosty B516, and it's so pretty. Like, it's just so pretty. And these are my nails. This one is patched. I broke it on the seat belt, so it is patched, but it's still hanging on. So let's do this. Let's look at the polishes and see what they look like. There it is. There's always there we go. So they're not what I thought they would be. I kind of thought, like, they might be, I think, traditional Mickey colors, but obviously this wasn't Mickey, and they definitely made them Hawaiian. Look at this. Oh my gosh, guys, these just scream summer to me. So we have Apricot Kisses B516. We have this beautiful little bubble gum. It has a little hint purplish pink, maybe. This one's, well, it says Strawberry Blush 515. And one in a melon. That's cute, 516. So let's see. Let's swatch these on top of here. And before I do that, though, I'm going to paint 3 of these with the actual polish. And like I said, I might do some just on my nails because I have to redo them here before long. And well, why not, right? So let's paint these. And I'm telling you guys, I walked out to the mailbox to get this, and it is so hot here. I know it's hot. I mean, it's hot everywhere, but in Tennessee, you have hot, and then you got the humidity that comes along with it, and it feels like it's 100. It was 92 or 3 yesterday, just the temperature, not counting what the humidity does to it. And that's gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I did not expect it to be that pretty. That's one coat, y'all. Just one coat. This is just one coat as well. Oh, and this is, I love green. Green's my favorite color. But y'all, we've been like, whew, burning up, and I've got to get back out in it and go pick up my car. Y'all know the story of my car. A deer tried to take it out, and they're doing the last detail work, putting in the last little few trim pieces today. That's cute. One in a melon. It's kind of evening out nicely. I think it will be just fine. Like if you wanted to just splash on one coat and a top coat and go. I do that a lot with stamping polishes. That's what I did with this Frosty the other night when I removed my polish. I just thought, I want to put something on, but I'm not sure what. This one seems a little bit lighter, but let's see. This would be a nice, thick coat. Because I always do that. Always heavy-handed when I paint my nails. So this one probably would take 2 coats. So let's put these back here. Oh, they're cute. Obviously well paired together too. So let's see what's new in life. While I'm getting these over here ready to stamp, let's watch them, see how they show up on black and white. Let's see. No, that's Frosty. Get out of the way, Frosty. We are heading down to Nashville this weekend. My husband, I think a lot of y'all know, has some health problems, and he has an angiogram done on Monday on his brain, and we get the results back of it on Tuesday. We'll still be down there, so that's coming up. Just lots of stuff going on around here. So, but yeah, it's hard to believe it's almost the 4th of July. And I also got, I ordered that 4th of July plate too. I thought that was so cute. Where's the scraper card when you need it? Right here. Okay. Can't have too many of those either. Trust me. Cannot. Okay. I don't use the Monacle a lot because I love the ice cube stamper, but I'm going to try to pick up as much as I can. Here we see. Shows up pretty darn good over black. Yeah, as light as that. I mean, it's very, very nice here, but it kind of surprises me that it shows up that well over black. So let me get my sticky stamper station opened up over here and get some acetone. And I like to use my fancy schmancy old-fashioned wooden clothespin. You can't beat it when it comes to holding a couple of cotton balls, and they're super cheap, and so that's just what I use. So I guess, let's see what else is new. Since I did a video, I actually became a Maniology ambassador, which just means that I'll just put a code in my stuff from now on, in the description, probably in the description, that you can, if you order from Maniology, which I do a lot, you can save 10%. So in my state, the actual tax, our sales tax is 10%. Isn't that crazy? So it saves you some money. So, and my code is easy. It's MMM10. So, but I will put it in there. That's pretty too. This is very subtle how it shows up, but it's there. It would be something nice to put as a background and then snap something in front of it. So let's see. But yeah, I was excited about the ambassador thing. That was unexpected. So, oh my gosh, this doodle, I'm telling you. Whew. Does anybody else have a doodle out there? Tell me if you do. Tell me if anybody has any kind. The big ones, I got the little version. They're the same as the big ones. Goofy. Get in trouble a lot. She is, her name's Clara, and she eats things she's not supposed to. It has such surgery twice for eating things. Oh, that shows up nice. Look at that. Wow. Wow. Let's see. Okay. I got an idea just real quick. So these two that were really kind of not as bright. Let's see what they look like on stamped on black just real quick. I'm curious. Like I want to see it on an actual black nail. These polishes they really surprised me. I mean, I loved them, but I didn't expect them to be quite as, like, vibrant over dark color. Like, oh, yeah. Look at that. Oh, that's cute. That's really cute. I know the pink will be, you know, really pretty on it. I have no doubt because, you know, the green was lighter. So, let's see. Let's look at this one. This one was lighter. I think this was the lightest one. If you wonder what that blue nail is right there, that is one coat of Cloudy. If you don't have that in your arsenal of polishes, you need to get it. If you put it just on your nails, it's white. But if you stamp it over black, you get that beautiful blue. It's so pretty. So let's just keep going this direction. It's hard to, I'm not trying to be perfect here. I'm just stamping to see how it shows up. All of them are going to look good. All of them are going to look great over black. They are. They're all going to look good. Sit these right here so I don't lose them. Yeah, I may just have to stamp like one little Mickey on my nail. But yeah, I wanted to see how these show up. So this should help you guys if you're trying to pick out a mani, and also knowing like what it'll show up over. I usually don't do this, but I was curious myself. And black and pink, and I mean these look like beachy colors. So this is really cute. Look at that. It's awesome. Okay, so let's stamp Mickey on these that I have over here already. These colors I'm sure are dry by now enough. Anyway, I'm always rushing to make them ready to stamp. I'm terrible for that. Okay, so there they are lined up. I'm going to stamp them black because I just think I want to see Mickey and Minnie in the way they were. Now, let's see. Now, we have to keep in mind their faces and things are going to just be the color of the background of the nail. In other words, Mickey's face, if I don't reverse stamp it, would be the color of the background. Keep that in mind. So, he's going to look, yeah, just look at the, how he stamps, I guess I should say. Instead of, like his face is not probably going to look right. Oops. Okay. I could pick up a little bit extra. Where is that extra? I think that's the top of his hat. I almost took off the wrong thing. Okay, let's put him on this green one. Yeah, see, you can, I mean, it's okay. It's not going to make any difference. Everybody's going to know that he is who he is. Look at that. Oh my gosh, so cute. I love Mickey and Minnie. And of course, Minnie needs to go on this pink. I mean, I didn't even think about that, but now I am. She's got to go on that pink. So let's do her. Let's see. I hope that you all, I'm thinking that this thing might be sold out. So I hope that you guys got in there. Or like there's two versions of it. There's the version without, oh, that didn't stamp good. I didn't stamp it right. There's the version without the polish, I think, maybe. Or just maybe the plates. I don't know, but this kit, I think, might be sold out. So hopefully you got yours and it's on the way. All right. Let's see. Stuff falling everywhere. I'm going to go back to my... This is the stamper, kind of stamper I use about all the time. I just like them. I think it's whatever you get used to using. And this is what I use most all the time. This little Minnie. Facing Mickey. There we go. Then stand them back up. Look at them. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. That's adorable. So let's stamp. Let's stamp this little nautical one here in black over this orange. Go. Also, it would be pretty in white. Like if you didn't want to go like all in with the black, you could stamp over that yellow and white. It would still be pretty. This particular stamp, I think, will look better in black. Yeah. Okay, I stamped it. See how it's a little bit crooked? That's my fault from the way I picked it up. It kind of comes down and curves over to the side. If I was doing my nails, I would pick it back up, but since we're just doing this, it's fine. Because you can actually manipulate it when you curve your stamper around or move it. Oh my gosh, that's cute. Nobody's gonna know that it was crooked though, are they? Look at that. That's cute. These are adorable. Like, I definitely will be wearing this more than once. Once in grayscale, and definitely using these colors because these are so cute. I love them. I hope you like them. And of course, in this you don't get a gift, but in the monthly subscription box you do. And these are so cute. I can't wait to put these on. I may be changing my mind about what manicure I do for this weekend. So anyway, there they are. And here's the plate. Here they are stamped over black. So cute. Like, they show up so well. So if you love Maniology like I do, hop on there and look around, and you can always pick up the colors. Normally they will, in a little bit, like if they do like with the kits, they'll put them out. And again, these numbers are B517, B516, and B515. So if you really like one of them, kind of look around on the site, and they usually will put them out if they don't run out of them in the kits. Like if they've sold out of the kits though, I'm not sure. So there they are. So little Steamboat Willie and the kit. There you go. I hope you guys have a good day, and I will be back, and I'm going to do my best to go live sometime, maybe this weekend when I do my own nails. I might try to do that. Y'all guys, let me know in the comments if you would like to see that. If so, just let me know. And be there to support me when everything goes wrong, okay? Anyway, yeah, put in the comments. Please hit like. It helps it tremendously if you do. And I will see you guys later. Bye.